What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. Another Nike outlet. Let's go. Parking lot full as hell already. God dang, dude. It's around noon. Yeah, make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. All right, let's go. Let's go. Dang, I guess this weekend it's all 20% off. 20% off the back wall here as well. Cool thing about this spot, I think this spot's been one of the spots where they've been throwing all the retros in the back. So let's see, 20% off. See if we can find some retros. See if we can find some heat. Dude got some mids here. Size 9.5, 135. At least you get these. What is this? Close to 100? Like 110 maybe? Like 110-ish. Got LeBron's right here. One of the earlier colorways going for $2. That's a size 10. Shows the technology behind it. Okay. Blazer mids going for 105. Dude got some Jordans here. The Westbrook. Why not 0.6, I think? Yeah, these are, oh man, these are awful, dude. $110 for those. Starting off in the size 10, by the way. I did forget to mention that. Yeah, another one of those. Dang. Got some Jordan 1 Lows. These are size 5 though. And I forgot they made like a snakeskin version of the Jordan 1 Low. This is a golf. But yeah, they got a snakeskin version. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. All right, these are going for 140. Dude got some of these, but look, size 15. Size 15, some mids. That's 125. At least you get 20% off this stuff. Got some dunks here. Mostly canvas dunks. Okay. $1.25 for that. 9.5 as well. All right, we're moving up to size 11. Beachy Cortez. Nobody wants a buck. Those are going for $80. I say nobody wants them because these have been here forever. Some size 10.5 Air Max 95 going for 160. 9.5. Dude got some Jordan ones. To be able to get these for 20% off, not bad. Not bad, dude. These ain't bad, dude. I'm not gonna lie. These are pretty fire, dude. Would I get it 25%? I don't know. 20% off, would I get it for my size? I don't know. Air Max 95s, 10.5 for 140. I'm in the size 11, 12 section. Got a size 9 right here. $100. Size 9.5, Pegasus Turbo. Next to Nature's. Alright, size 12. Dude got these bad boys. I know people ain't too into these. But dude got these bad boys right here. Okay. Jordan 1 highs. Go for $180. You do get that 20 off. I was like, what Cortez are these? Yeah, no, these are the BRSBs. Size 11.5 go for 90. LeBron size 11. LeBron 2s. We've been seeing a bunch of these $150. Consistently $150 everywhere. Do you get 20 off, I guess? I think it's that size 11, 12. Really didn't see much. Almost at the 14, 15s. Just not much here today. Did see those Jordans. Couple pair of Jordans. Be able to get 20% off. Not too shabby. Still got these Rex Kwando. Size 14, $190. I think I saw this here last week too. Air Force 1 Low SPs right here. Going for 130. Size 13. Size 12. See what these Flight 89s. They're going for $80. That's not too bad. 12.5. 11.5. Dunk highs right here. Oh, it's a Nike by You dunk high. Okay, let's look at this. They did price it down to 105. I know the Nike by You's do go for quite a bit more. Okay, I thought this was a standard colorway that I just haven't seen before. Seeing anything unique? No, with the sale laces and sale tongue. Okay. Trail 4s going for 75, but Trail 3 is going for 110. Told you it's about how long they've been at this outlet, not necessarily how long they've been out. Size 13 Jordan 1 Fly E's 130. They also got size 14 as well. Metcon size 15, $110. Metcon 8s. Dude got these going for $160. That's about it with the big size, you guys, man. 9.5 blazer mids. It's a premium plus, 105 for those. Not really many 9s to show you guys. LeBron 2s going for $150. These are 8.5. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, there's not much. All right, let's go check out the aisles, dude. Seriously, that was the quickest I've ever gone through the clearance section here. Dude got some Jordan 1 low golfs. They had these 3 last week. Got 12s. Playoff low golf 12s. Jordan 1 court purple, or Jordan 1 low court purple golfs. And this is a new one, metallic silver they're calling this. Okay, does have patent leather. Leather's kind of whatever. But yeah, technically that's a Jordan 1 high. There's the golf. Got plenty of sizes. Immortalities. Got quite a few of these. Guess these are always at the outlets. LeBron 9 lows. I don't remember seeing these here. Witness 6s. Got a trio of them. Go through those real quick. Blazer mid premiums. University blue version of those. Got some alley-oops. Didn't we just see one of these in the clearance section? Yup. Blazer mid premiums. Flight 89s. Cosmic unities. Going for way too much. 80 Tray 59s. Another one of those. Dub zeros. 2 trays. And a couple of soldiers. Terra Escape section right here. 97s. Terra Escape Plus. Air Force 1 mid. Quick strike. Air Max 2017. Go for regular retail. Holy cow. Both grays are going for retail. Then all black go for a little bit less. See, another example of it's pretty much how long it's been at this store, not necessarily when it came out or anything like that. All right, dude got these for $120. Vapor Max Plus 2021 Flyknits. Metcon free 3s. Another one of those. I swear that trio we've seen at almost every outlet. Then got the Metcon 7s. Almost missed these Air Max 90s. Then Monarchs. Okay. Pegasus 38s. And yeah, we've seen these Pegasus a million times. We're good. Dude got some court purple dunks. Okay. Okay. Got plenty of sizes. Up to size 13. Alright, checking out the women's clearance section. Air Force 1s go for $130. These are interesting with the stars and stuff. Okay. Dunk size 11, $100. Dude got some Air Max 90s, going for $130. What size was that? My bad. Size 9. Another Air Max 90 size 10, $30. They made women's GT cuts. I didn't know that. There's some GT cut 2s, $70, size 8.5. Infinity Run Finance going for $130, size 8.5. Women's Jordan 1 low 37s. Some all red versions. Oh, okay. Yeah, $170 though. Alright, we're moving on to the aisles. There's just not much. Got some Mars Yard 5s up to size 9 women's. Jordan 1 high comfort. Alright, got these too. Got the Zoom Air inside. Decent leather. Ooh, look at that big old scratch. Okay. Women's dunks. Air Force 1s. Another comfort. Okay. Air Max 2017s. This one's like a weird colorway. 270s. Got a couple of them. Air Force 1 highs. Air Max 90s. Then mostly generic, so we're gonna move on to the grade school. Got the Dunk Lows. Air Force 1 grade school. Preschool got the Legacy 312s. Mixture of the Jordan, I think 1, 2, and 3s, right? They're more up-tempo grade school. Yeah, and then preschool area, just mostly generic stuff. Is there a recycling part? Oh, there's shoe recycling program. That is back. Okay. You can recycle shoes and they'll use it for good, I guess. Then they got a picture right here. Look, she's wearing the Zoom Free 3s, and then why is she wearing generic shoes right there? Like, at least get her something decent, right? Those are like the Air Precisions or something. What the hell? All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. The Torrance Outlet, they had a couple retros. It wasn't too crazy. 20% off the back wall. I went to, what, a couple different Nike outlets this weekend, and I saw that both of them were only 20% off the back wall, and like the Jordan selection wasn't crazy, so I switched things up. I did go to a lot of the retail shops. Some of the retail shops were crazy. I did post a short showing that some of the Champs and some of the Foot Lockers had some crazy deals on apparel. Fortunately, they don't have that much apparel, but yeah, we saw that some of them had some crazy deals. That might be worth a look for some of you guys. And then Burlington. People have been finding dope stuff on Burlington as well as Ross. I've been getting messages from a bunch of you guys that y'all been finding a bunch of Mitchell & Ness jerseys and stuff like that. So I'm gonna hit up a few more of those this weekend. Hopefully tomorrow morning I might be able to go out and check out a couple. Cause man, those deals just ridiculous. I did find one thing. I'll show you guys that this week. And yeah, we got plenty of videos coming, you guys. Plenty of videos. Got a video every day coming. Hope you guys enjoy that. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Thanks so much for supporting the channel, you guys. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell too, because I do drop tons and tons of videos. Should have a video every day this week. Do need to hit up some more shops tomorrow, so hopefully I can find some steals. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.